What's up, what's up, what's up, you guys? It's Skinny Boy Randy. Hope you're having a blessed, growing, prosperous evening. Well, it's evening in my Zone 7, Richmond, Virginia. I just had to give you guys an update. I was not going to post another video tonight, but you guys, when I tell you these thumbs ain't green, but they sure enough can grow some stuff. Y'all know what I mean. I want to show you the cucumbers and the squash that we just germinated the day before yesterday. You watched me do it. Here they are. I'm going to show you the progress, okay? So it's not about me, it's about the seeds. So I'm going to turn the camera on down and show you just how far they've come. Okay? You remember we just put them in our paper towels. Very simple. And we're just going to be careful and unfold it. I just want you to see how easy, if you're in an apartment, if you're on a patio or deck, if you don't have a lot of space, if you don't have a yard, if you don't have a garden. Look at there, y'all. Look, you guys. They are out of their seeds. You see those roots? Those are our babies, you guys. I hope you can see what I see. You see that? 48 hours. And these can be put in soil right now, but we're not going to do that. We're going to let them keep growing. You see, these are cucumbers. No dirt. So, if you don't have a garden, don't worry. Start your seeds inside. And like I told you, toilet paper works just as well. And if you don't have a Ziploc bag, use your grocery store bags that you bring home from the grocery store. Just double them up because most of them have holes in them. You know what I'm talking about. Now, this is the squash. Let's see how that turned out in 48 hours. Just be gentle with your... Leave the plastic right here. That way we don't moisten the towel. Okay, here we go, you guys. We'll just gently open up our paper towel. There we go. There you go, you guys. Let's look and see what we have here. Up, up, up. We have a few babies. You see that? Look at that. Look at that root. Look at Mother Nature. Ain't God good? Ain't God good all the time? Yes. And can you see the little ones sprouting? These are squash, you guys. We're getting ready for the upcoming spring, summer. I hope you guys are as excited as I am, because I'm super duper excited. So we're going to put them back, and we're going to put them back in the windowsill. Not too much sun and not too much cold. Okay, you guys? So I just wanted to give you a quick 48-hour update on our seed germination during our succession growing series. I love you guys. You guys are the best. Remember, live, love, laugh, grow, stop. I need it. You are the best. Be blessed.